Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
In this tutorial, I'm going to show you easy method to find your Wi-Fi password in Windows 10. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Click on Start. Select Settings option. Click on Network and Internet. In Network and Internet window, select Network and Sharing Center. Then, a window will open, and your Wi-Fi name is displayed in that window. Click on Wi-Fi name. Then, another small window will open. Click on Wireless Properties. Then, Properties window will open. Select Security. Check in the Show Password option. That's it, your password will be shown. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description.